You're losing money because of this. Fix it ASAP. Have you ever felt like no matter how much money you make, it just disappears? Like you're stuck in an endless cycle of earning, spending, and struggling with nothing to show for it? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of people are unknowingly making money mistakes that silently drain their wealth. But here's the good news. Once you identify these money traps, you can break free and start building real financial security. In this video, we're exposing 8 major reasons you keep losing money and, more importantly, how to fix them immediately. Before we dive in, take a second to like this video and subscribe. You don't want to miss life-changing insights that could completely transform your financial future. And trust me, this is one of those videos you'll want to watch till the end. Now, let's get into it. The silent money leaks that are keeping you broke. Most people assume they're losing money because they don't earn enough, but that's not always the case. Even people with high income struggle financially because of poor money habits. It's not just about how much you make, it's about how much you keep and what you do with it. 1. Lifestyle creep, the hidden trap that keeps you stuck. One of the biggest reasons people stay broke is lifestyle creep. This happens when your expenses rise every time your income increases. You get a raise, and instead of saving or investing, you upgrade your car, move to a bigger house, or start spending more on entertainment. Before you know it, you're earning more but still living paycheck to paycheck. To fix this, you need to be intentional about your spending. Instead of inflating your lifestyle every time you earn more, direct that extra income into savings, investments, or debt repayment. The goal is to increase your wealth, not your expenses. 2. Emotional spending, the costly mistake you don't realize you're making. How many times have you bought something just because you were stressed, bored, or trying to impress someone? Emotional spending is one of the biggest money killers. Companies spend billions of dollars studying consumer psychology to make you buy things you don't need. That's why retail therapy feels so good in the moment, but it's short-lived. Eventually, you're left with stuff you don't need and less money in your account. To stop emotional spending, create a rule for yourself. Whenever you feel the urge to buy something impulsively, wait 24 hours. This gives you time to think rationally. More often than not, you'll realize it was just a temporary feeling, and you'll save yourself a ton of money. 3. Ignoring small expenses, the little leaks that sink big ships. Many people assume that only big purchases hurt their finances, but the truth is, small daily expenses add up fast. A few dollars on coffee, multiple streaming subscriptions, frequent takeout. It might not seem like much in the moment, but over time, these small leaks drain your wealth. Take a close look at your spending habits. Identify areas where you're wasting money and cut back. Those extra dollars you save can be redirected into investments that grow your wealth instead of being wasted on things that don't add value to your life. 4. Bad debt, the silent killer of wealth. Not all debt is bad, but consumer debt, especially high-interest credit card debt, is one of the worst financial mistakes you can make. When you buy something on credit without paying it off immediately, you're not just spending money, you're committing to paying even more money over time due to interest. If you're carrying high-interest debt, make paying it off a priority. The longer you wait, the more you lose in interest payments. Start with the highest interest debts first and avoid taking on new debt unnecessarily. 5. Not investing, the cost of letting your money sit idle. One of the biggest mistakes people make is keeping all their money in a savings account, thinking it's the safest place. The problem? Inflation eats away at the value of your money over time. If your money isn't growing, you're actually losing it. The key to building wealth is making your money work for you. Investing allows your money to multiply over time, whether through stocks, real estate, or other assets. You don't have to be rich to start investing. Just start with what you have and be consistent. 6. Not having an emergency fund, the cost of being unprepared. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected expenses, medical bills, car repairs, job loss can happen at any time. Without an emergency fund, you'll be forced to rely on debt, which only makes your financial situation worse. To avoid this, set aside at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a separate account. Even if you start small, Just having a financial cushion can save you from unnecessary debt and stress. 7. Not having multiple income streams, relying on one source of money. If your only source of income is your job, you're at risk. What happens if you lose it? Building multiple income streams, whether through a side hustle, investments, or passive income sources, creates financial security. The more sources of income you have, the more financially resilient you become. 8. Not setting clear financial goals, the power of purposeful money management. If you don't have clear financial goals, it's easy to spend money aimlessly. Without a plan, your money controls you instead of you controlling it. Take the time to set specific financial goals, whether it's saving for a house, investing for retirement, or becoming debt-free. Having a goal gives your money purpose and helps you stay focused on building wealth. The solution: how to take control of your finances today. Now that we've exposed the reasons you're losing money, let's talk about how to fix them. 1. Track your spending. Awareness is the first step. Use a budgeting app or a simple notebook to track where every dollar goes. 2. Automate your savings and investments. The easiest way to save is to make it automatic. 3. Live below your means. Wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep. 4. Pay off high-interest debt quickly. The longer you carry debt, the more it costs you. 5. Invest consistently. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. 6. Build an emergency fund. Start small, but start now. 7. Create multiple income streams. Relying on one source of income is risky. 8. Set clear financial goals. Having a plan makes financial success more achievable. Final thoughts. Losing money isn't always about bad luck. It's often about bad habits. The good news is that you can change them. Take control of your money instead of letting it control you. Drop a comment below and tell us, which of these money traps are you fixing today? If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content that can help you build wealth. Daily affirmations for financial success. I am in control of my money. Every dollar I earn brings me closer to financial freedom. I make smart money decisions that build wealth. I attract abundance, prosperity, and financial success. I am financially disciplined and make wise investments. Money flows to me effortlessly and in abundance. Do the right things for the right reasons. Stay blessed.